Hi, I'm Brad from Skycom Solutions, and today we're going to talk about an important topic that can help you safeguard your hard-earned money. I'm here to shed light on direct deposit scams, what they are, and how you can avoid becoming a victim. Let's get started. Direct deposit scams often involve fraudsters attempting to divert an employee's paycheck into their own accounts. This is usually done through phishing emails or compromised employee accounts. Here's how it typically works. A scammer will attempt to impersonate either a client or an employee and trick an employee with access to a company's payroll system into updating their direct deposit information. This data can be conveniently acquired from the company's website, emails, or even by conducting a search on social media platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn to view the person's profiles. Subsequently, the scammer engages in phishing by adopting the identity of an employee and sending a request to modify their direct deposit bank account details. Once the account details are altered, the funds are funneled into the scammer's account, and it becomes exceedingly challenging for businesses to recover their money because it may be sent overseas and can be very difficult to reverse the transaction. Now let's talk about some red flags that you should watch out for. Unusual sender. If you receive an email about updating your direct deposit from an unfamiliar or suspicious email address, be cautious. Urgent requests. Scammers often create a sense of urgency, pressuring you to act quickly. Be skeptical of emails demanding immediate action. Misspelled URLs or email addresses. Check for misspelled domain names or email addresses. Scammers often try to mimic legitimate ones, but there are usually subtle differences. Generic greetings. Be wary of emails with generic greetings like "Dear Employee" instead of using your name. Unusual requests. If the request seems odd or out of the ordinary, verify its legitimacy through a separate communication channel. Now that you know the red flags, let's discuss how to protect yourself and your company. Employee training. Educate your employees about these scams. Make sure they're aware of the red flags and the procedures to follow if they suspect a scam. If you're one of our clients, you can look out for security awareness training that we send out regularly along with phishing simulation campaigns. Verification protocols. Establish a verification process for any direct deposit changes. This could include contacting the employee directly through a known and secure communication channel. Multi-factor authentication. Enforce MFA for all accounts. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for scammers to gain unauthorized access. Scammers often like to target part-time or temporary employees because they're often more susceptible to social engineering. Cybersecurity training. Regularly train your payroll team on cybersecurity best practices. Knowledge is your first line of defense. Remember, direct deposit scams can have serious financial and reputational consequences for both employees and companies. By staying vigilant, educating your team, and following best practices, you can help protect your organization from falling victim to these scams. Stay safe, stay informed, and thank you for watching.